The writing prompts Reddit app belongs to the analyzing app because it primarily focuses on generating ideas and inspiration for written works. It analyzes users' preferences, interests, and writing styles to provide tailored prompts and feedback, which helps writers refine their craft and develop their skills. Furthermore, the app facilitates critical thinking, brainstorming sessions, and peer-to-peer evaluation, all of which are essential aspects of analysis in the writing process. By belonging to the analyzing app, the Writing Prompts Reddit app highlights its role in supporting writers to analyze their work and make improvements based on community input. Writing Prompts Reddit app is a community and social media platform, Reddit, where users share creative writing prompts to inspire others and help them overcome writer's block. It is essentially a forum for writers, both amateur and professional, to find ideas and spark their imagination. Users can post their own original prompts or respond to existing ones with their own stories or interpretation. The app offers a supportive environment where writers can collaborate, provide feedback, and engage in thoughtful discussion about the craft of writing. Good afternoon, guys. Now I'm going to introduce to you the app named Reddit. So Reddit is a social platforms app that has a lot of use, no? Or if you kung pinuto mo ng 3 lines, no, you can see a lot of community, no, na for example announcements, basketball, let's just say ganahan kag esports, na ay mga news that you can read and see. Now of course, you have to analyze what is the news, what it is all about, no, para dili ka ma-confuse, or should we say mas common gani rather. So it's back, and then naapod siya watch, you can watch anything, mga memes or mga videos popular. This is the best, no, man siya na ay pinakadaghan nga likes kung kisot ng nasa babaw. And then home, sa back, then let's just say na kay specific community, no, for example let's just say buhay digital. It's about digital. Now you can read, no, dahil kag mabasa, that is about jobs, and then mga comments about jobs, mga hinanakit nila. Then back, and you can explore communities by topic of culture, science, sports, wellness. So if you pinuto mo ng communities, muna magawas, but then you can create, no? If you want anyone to hear you or to notice you, well, you can create this option on option 2. No, if you just have a example, yes, no, or you can add as much as you want, but then it's just an example. For example po, mag-add ka og image, this, next, and then the title, no, for journalistic text and journalistic text. No, you can actually write a explanation below if you want to. People are afraid because that is the of life. Now, if okay na, pindutan ng next. Search a community educational. Now, if you want it to be a memes, you can actually muna siya pindutan, but then na siya rules nga imo ang basahon. Now, for example, bawal ang image, mawa ang image, mawala, text na lang ang mabilin. Now, post, ayan siya da, post na ay ganang i-delete na siya ay marag trash can diri no, save, copy text, post, albos player, tapos back if you want kung ganahan ka mato sa yung profile, ito ni mo siya avatar. Actually, ganahan ka magsulat-sulat og mga poem, mga issues, yung ganahan ka mag-apil-apil, no, you can actually go in here, create, and then title, body, optional, tapos imo ang link, tapos these 3 lines na kung nakaganahan maghimo ka ganahan ka maghimo community, no, you can actually go here. Nahimo naman ako ni siya, no, cancel. So inbox for notification. So parehani giabay na ko ang ilang law or ilaang rules. So napunta diri view all comments if na and then message, 3 dots, view mark, and that is all about Reddit.